So today, Babe and I are outside on the world's smallest patio.
Yes, it is. Only because we have so many grills now.
Yes. So we're going to be outside on the PitBoss 5-burner flat top griddle. If you own any type of flat top griddle, Blackstone, PitBoss, charbroil, anything, this is a video for you. It's going to be epic. Quesadillas 3 different ways. Right, babe?
Yes.
So you tell them. This was your creation, so you tell them.
3 different ways. So we have chicken, steak, and cheese. And then, of course, I had to put my signature sauces in
Saucy
so we'll tell you about those as we go.
So we're going to do a steak quesadilla. We're going to do a chicken quesadilla, and then just a plain classic cheese quesadilla, all outside on the flat top griddle.
Easy peasy.
There we go.
And delicious.
And here we go.
All right. So usually we start with a shopping list. I'm not going to do a shopping list today because I have so many different ingredients that you just have to watch and follow along and get the ingredients as we go. Okay, so what we're going to start with is our meat, and I'm going to put down a little bit of avocado oil here. Our 2 meats are flat steak and chicken. We did chicken thighs because that's Josh's favorite.
And you already pre-cut them up into little tiny
I pre-cut them into
pieces.
Little slices. So I have my steak cut into just little slices like that. We're going to keep our Blackstone also. I like to cook on low. I'm not a high heat cooker. So we have our steak there, and we're going to put our chicken down. I seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay, babe, what's next?
Okay, the first one I pre-did because I had to pre-chop the Chipotles. So you just grab a can of Chipotles and the crema with the green top, and I put about a tablespoon of Chipotles in there and probably 4 tablespoons of crema and made this Chipotle dipping sauce. This one is going to be for the cheese quesadilla. Okay, so this is a dipping sauce, Chipotle dipping sauce.
A Chipotle crema dipping sauce.
Chipotle crema dipping sauce. For our steak quesadilla, we're doing a jalapeno popper quesadilla. I have cream cheese, that's about 2 tablespoons. I have 2 tablespoons of sliced and diced jalapenos out of the can, so those are pickled jalapenos. And I have crunchy onions that we're going to put in there. So easy, we're just going to take and put our jalapenos right here in with our cream cheese. And we're going to mash that all together until we get a nice little cream. Okay, for our third sauce, we're doing the famous Taco Bell sauce. I found it online. It's supposed to be an exact replica recipe of the Taco Bell sauce that goes inside the quesadillas. So this is a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. This is a tablespoon of jalapeno juice from the can. It's 2 tablespoons of minced jalapenos. Put that in there. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of cumin. A teaspoon of chili powder. And we mix.
On the last sauce that you did, the cream cheese and the jalapenos, what are those fried onions? Where are those going to go?
Well, those are going inside the quesadilla to give it a little crunch.
Oh, extra crunch.
That's going to be yummy. I just had those in there and I was like, these need to go in. So that's our Taco Bell. Oops. That's our Taco Bell sauce. That smells very similar. All right. We are going to start here
with a little bit of butter.
Yeah, the outside of our quesadilla. We're going to do just halves because we're doing so many, but if you want to do a full, do a full.
And by full, you mean 2 tortillas.
By full, I mean 2 tortillas, correct. So what you want to start with is we want to get that nice and warm. Don't mind my nails. We're going to start with our steak quesadilla. So this is going to be our sauce on one side.
Is that the Taco Bell sauce?
Yeah. It looks really yummy. It smells really yummy. We're going to lay down some quesadilla cheese. This stuff melts really well. And because there's so much flavor packed in that sauce, we don't want to overwhelm it with like a Sharpie cheese flavor.
A Sharpie cheddar flavor?
Yeah.
You want to use quesadilla cheese.
I want to use quesadilla cheese, and I want it to get nice and melty. Oh, I'm sorry. I said steak. This is the chicken one. My bad.
So you're doing Taco Bell sauce, quesadilla,
Yes.
queso cheese.
This is what happens when I do 3 things at one time.
Now you're putting on the
Now
chicken
I'm gonna put the
thighs.
chicken thigh on.
Sorry for the lights, you guys. The sun and the shadows and everything. Real professional operation over here.
Hey, you know what? We cook good. And that's what matters. All right. So we have our Taco Bell sauce, our cheese, our sauce, our cheese, our chicken. Let's flip it over. We're going to turn the heat up just a little bit and let that melt down. Okay, next we're going to do our jalapeno popper steak quesadilla. So we throw a little butter down, get that melted. Wipe our tortilla with all the yummy butter. Plus it gives us a surface to fry that tortilla. So this one, we're going to put our cream cheese down.
A cream cheese and jalapeno sauce.
Yes. Oh my goodness. This one's going to be really good. I'm quite excited. And you want to get that all spread out. This one we're going to use the 4-cheese Mexican cheese. Because we have that less bland kick from the cream cheese. So we want to add a little kick with our cheese.
How's your chicken one doing, babe? Do you need to flip-a-roo that one?
Yeah. And then we're going to put our crispy onions. I think these are really going to like level it up. Put our steak on there. And this is flat steak. I think I said earlier it's just not marinated. I just put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Oh, that's thick.
She thick.
See if we can even get that flipped over. I flipped over the chicken one so we have that nice little crisp on it. Shove everything in there.
So you just got the chicken one off. How's your steak one coming along?
Coming along. It's just heating up. Next we're going to do our cheese. This is basic. I'm going to use 2 different cheeses. Both the quesadilla cheese and the Mexican cheese. We're going to load it up and heat it up. That one's pretty easy. You want to load this one up with cheese. There we go. Give it a second. We'll flip it in half. All right. Let's move it over to this side. So I have my burners off over here. My Big Daddy is looking pretty good. Let's give this one a flip. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is looking beautiful. Okay, so we have a chicken quesadilla with the Taco Bell copycat quesadilla sauce. We have a jalapeno popper steak quesadilla. And we have a regular cheese quesadilla with a Chipotle crema dipping sauce.
Looks good, babe.
My mouth is watering.
Looks very tasty.
These look pretty good.
Okay, so it's time to eat. So before we eat, let's roll our 9 top tier channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll roll them across the screen right now. We have a join button. It looks like this, and you could join any level of our behind the scenes, babes behind the scenes channel members. You guys are what keep this channel going. We're up to 27 members right now. Our goal is 50 by the end of this year, but thank you, thank you, thank you to all 27 of you. That is so awesome.
Yeah, we're really excited and thankful.
All right, babe. So
ready.
you want to do cheese first? Steak, mom? Big big or chicken? What do you want to do
Okay,
first?
well, we have the cheese in the sauce, so let's try that one first.
Okay.
Let me get you one.
And this is the crema, the chipotle
This
and
is
adobo
Chipotle
sauce.
crema.
Crema.
Not adobo.
Not
Just Chipotle
Chipotles and crema.
crema.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just.
You might want to get a
Oh.
little Chipotle in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, it's flopping around. Mmm. Okay. Well, that sauce is good.
Next, let's do the jalapeno popper.
The steak jalapeno popper quesadilla.
I'm giving you the big one. This is probably gonna burn you. I'll be honest.
Babe, I mean, I gotta. Oh wow, that's hot. I
like
gotta show.
two-fisted.
I gotta show the folks. That's
That was
crazy.
pretty good, huh?
Okay.
Cheers.
This is the big boy. Uh-oh. Okay, that's hot.
Not too spicy.
Not like it.
You can taste the popper.
It tastes like a jalapeno popper with steak quesadilla. That's freaking good.
I think so too.
I burned my tongue.
Okay. Last but not least is Taco Bell copycat.
Chicken quesadilla.
quesadilla.
All right. Taco Bell copycat chicken quesadilla.
Okay.
All right, babe. Here we go. I've had that sauce before at Taco Bell. I didn't know what you were talking about first. Now I know.
Now you recognize it?
That is exactly the same. That one, this is the spiciest one.
Because it has the cayenne pepper in it.
Yeah. This is more spicy than the jalapeno popper one.
It would have been good with green chilies too.
Yeah.
But the Instacart guy couldn't find a can of green chilies for
Yeah.
some reason. So
Woo!
that's it.
You got my nose running, babe.
Lots of flavor.
Lots of flavor. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. If you made it this far in the video, shout out to you.
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you on the next one.